Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine, so let's get started with today's new video. So today, I am going to tell you how you can reduce your disk usage of your Windows 11. And one more thing, this will increase your laptop speed also.
अभी मजा आएगा ना भिड़ो.
So here, we open service.msc in this, so now you find sys.main, then stop its running. After this, disable it, and then apply all settings. Just follow the rules which I shown here. Now another thing, you find Windows search in it and disable it because there is no use of this thing your system. So that is it for today, and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. We also reached 15 subscribers, which is a huge goal for me.